Leslie here with a haul from Tilly B Plans. I haven't ordered from them in so long. I left them a note saying like, sorry, it's been a while. I'm so dorky. Okay, so I ordered, I was actually waiting on doing my plan with me this week because I wanted these kits to arrive first, and then they totally did in time for me to film, and then the Erin Condren arrived, so I wanted to get that one put up first. Anyway, so that's how that happened. All right, so I ordered 2 kits. And then it's really cute. She wraps it in ribbon and then sticks her Tilly B Plans sticker on top of it. And then she left me a little note on the back, which was adorable. So, but I don't want to mess up her sticker. Like, I don't want to tear it. Like, how do I do this? How do I do this and not tear the sticker? Okay. So far, so good. Okay, we might be putting this on something cute. Probably my planner. Probably stick that on the corner of my desk. Cute little ribbon piece. Okay, we'll open this one first because I can tell it has the freebies in it. So you can, I think I did, I'm trying to remember if there was anything else I said. No, I don't think so. Okay, so she does have a Facebook group and she does have an Instagram and all that. So I think this is the regular freebie. It's really cute. I'll bring it to the camera. So we have a little mug with a kawaii face and some like whipped cream on top. We have a another coffee cup with like a rainbow coffee collar, and then I only call it, is that what they're called? I call them that because of that one movie. The bridesmaid one. It's like a guy is her maid of honor. Man of honor? I don't know. And then there's a tea bag, and then a quarter box, a half box, and a quarter box. Goodness sake, there you go. So that's one of the freebies. And then this is another one of the freebies. I'll let you take a look. I need this up. Okay. This one has a full box of daisies, a little squiggle, some little, I'd call them flowers or asterisks, and then some half boxes, quarter boxes, and a flag. And then this one says 2. Oh, they're numbered. So there's 1, 2, 3. I don't know. So then this one has flowers, and then this one has like a Amazon package. It says mail, but like it has the little smiley face on it. And then there's a computer with a cat on it, which I love because cat videos are the best. And then there's like a little marker smudge. And then there's a little quarter box with a bee in it. And then, is that a sticker? The logo is a sticker. Oh, I love it. All right, and then we got a sticky note, and then we got a squiggles. Okay, and then this one is 1. So this one we got daisies on. And then we got a quarter box with her little icon character. Oh my gosh, what's her name? I can't think of her name. Is it Tilly? Does she call her character Tilly? She might call her character Tilly. I'm trying to think. Daily planning notepad. That's not what I'm trying to look at. Yeah, she calls her Tilly. That makes it easier. All right, some quarter box here and a quarter box here. Here she looks happy, and here she looks happy, and here she looks like sad and drained for the day. And then we have some squiggles, and then we have a quarter box with little checklist boxes. So adorable. Love the freebies. You are killing it, girl. Okay, this one is called Witch Please. So we went and saw Wizard of Oz, the ballet of it. My son and I did. There's a little girl in my son's school. They did have class together at one point in kindergarten, and she's in ballet, and so we go to the Nutcracker. I've talked about that before. Well, she's in the Wizard of Oz, and she was actually Toto this year, and it was actually really hard to try to find a Wizard of Oz kit because due to like copyright stuff, you can't just really search Wizard of Oz, and so that makes it a little bit harder. And then when I did find, there was one that like if you search like Twister sticker kit, sometimes they title it that. This one's called Witch Please, so it's like if I'm searching Wizard of Oz, that's not going to come up. And a lot of time when you search like Witch Kit, then you get like Harry Potter kits. But I really love this one because Toto's actually on here because some of the kits don't have Toto at all. And so I'm like, wait a minute. So we have the witch here, which we went and saw the performance last night. But I kind of want to talk about that more in the plan with me. So I'm going to save it. But She was amazing. They all were, honestly. They all were. But everything was there. It was amazing. I loved it. My son kept calling the Tin Man a robot. Uh, so that was pretty funny. He's seen the movie, but anyway. All right, so then we have the lovely lion over here. And then we have Dorothy right here. Just adorable. And then this is page 1. And then this is page 2. You have Dorothy's bows. That's what I call it. She actually has blue ribbon bows, but the red ones are cute too. And then the gingham is like from her dress. And then you have your Monday through Sunday checklist, which she has 2 of them in case you want to track 2 different things, or if you're going to try to use the kit for 2 weeks. And then page 3, oh my gosh, look at those decorative half boxes. This one has like bows and the, why can't I think of the word? Poppies. There we go. Which I did make a poppy clip. It's no longer in the shop, I'm pretty sure, but I have one, so I need to get that. And then we have like a scene of the trees and the Tin Man. Oh, and then I was gonna show you the clips that go with this. I'll do that at the end. We have ruby slipper flags. We have rainbows. We have the yellow brick road. I almost said the golden brick road. Goodness sake. Emerald City stuff. We have some headers here that say cleaning, personal, exercise, remember, hydration, work. And then I like this, odds and ends to do in today. And then look at the bottom washi. Amazing, right? Amazing. You have the rainbow, you have the twister, you have the house, you have the poppies, you have Scarecrow, you have Emerald City, you have the yellow brick road, you have Tin Man, you have Dorothy, you have the lion. Do we just call him the lion? And then more of the Emerald City. I just loved it. And then these are washi strips. So they're not full boxes. And then you have habit trackers on the side there. All right. And then we have date covers. And we have date dots. And then we have, look, little characters. I was hoping Toto was going to be in there, but they're not. I like these little icons, little functional icons. Cute little weekend banner. Some quarter boxes, flag quarter boxes. And then you have all your dates. All right, and then this one we have 6 checklists. That's why I was like, I think you actually could spread this out. If you were more of a white space planner, you could do 2 weeks of this because you have 6 checklists here and then you have like 7 on the other one. So these are all individual. You can peel them individually. There's some dinner stickers, some time stickers, TV, and like a credit card. And then look at all these little icons with scripts at the bottom. Make a plan, laundry day, time to celebrate, payday, take out the trash, clean it, sleep in, nope, movie night with a movie reel, make calls with a phone, get groceries with a bag of groceries, meal plan. And the little spoon has a heart in it. I love details, you guys. I love them. Be there, and it has a clock with a heart in it. Post, and it has a computer with a heart in it. Work it, and it has weights with a heart in it. Every single one has like a heart. I love that. Payday, a wallet with a heart. Even the washing machine has a heart. I think Nope doesn't. That's about it. But Nope doesn't need a heart. Okay, so that's the kit of Witch Please. So I hope you like that one. Let me show you the clips that I'm going to use to go with it. I didn't pull the clips for the other kit. It's because I was like, I'm going to film a plan with me with this like pretty much right after I'm done. So I'm going to use my rainbow. There we go. My rainbow clip. And definitely using the barn because she's on a farm. And that farm has chickens, and there was chickens in the ballet. And she's in Kansas, so we need our sunflower. And then I'll have to dig out my poppy. And then we have Glinda the Good Witch. So I did a blue sparkly wand because I'm pretty sure in the movie she's blue, right? Maybe she's pink because here she's pink, and I was pretty sure last night she was pink. So I don't know. Might have to make this again in pink. All right, and then I did make a Toto. And then the mom that I'm friends with, she actually bought like 10 of these to like give out to the other ballet dancers. So it was cute. I guess they all give each other gifts sometimes. So that's my clips I'm going to be using along with, I'm going to make a poppy, or I'm going to grab my poppy clip to go with that. And then I might be making a pink wand. I don't know. All right, so that's the first kit. Next kit we have is called My Happy Place. That's also part of the reason I bought it, because my garden is definitely my happy place, and it's a garden kit called My Happy Place. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How cute is this little card? I only saw this part on the back. And it's like a little note. She's like, good to see you again. Hope you enjoy your kids. Elizabeth. Okay. So look at that. Oh, that is going in my planner. Oh, I might have to laminate it. Okay. So we have a garden kit, which is why I was like, dang, I didn't grab my garden clips. I have all the flower clips, man. I have a wheelbarrow full of daffodils. I have seed packets. Now this one mostly focuses, I feel like, on flowers, but then here, I'm not sure what that one says behind it, but there's strawberries, which I did buy a strawberry plant. There's strawberries behind it, and then there's a little packet of peas. So that's cute. We've got tulips, daffodils, bluebells. I've never grown bluebells. Snowdrops. I don't know how to say that. Nastrium. I don't know. It says bright and cheery. I love that. Love that. Okay. And then page 2, we have half box heart checklist. And then 2 Monday through Sunday, some sticky notes, some quarter boxes, some freestanding dots, like from freestanding boxes, dots. And then we have some watercolor kind of splashes. I like the two-tone colors, and these are all connected. They're not individual, in case you're like, what is happening? Ooh, and she has that really smooth paper, you guys. It's so smooth. All right, and then we have our decorative, I love decorative quarter boxes. Because look, this one says radish. This one has... What are those? Oh, watering cans. Has watering cans, some wildflowers, carrots, pruning shears, some more flowers. They look kind of like poppies. Watering can, and then this one has, are those grapes? Those might be grapes or some kind of flower. And then we have strawberries, and we have more yellow flowers. And then we have our other headers, and then we have odds and ends to do in today. But look at the bottom washi. You guys know I'm a sucker for bottom washi. So this one has 2 sizes of bottom washi. You can put them together or you can separate them. But I was trying to see because I was like, are these connected? So these are not connected. They're 2 different strips. So you have your strip of your packets of seeds. And then you have your strips of just like the solid blue and white stripe. And then you have your like extra washi chunks. And then you have your Monday through Sunday habit trackers. But look at that. Pansies. I'm growing pansies. Mine are purple. I'm not growing carrots. I'm growing tomatoes. We'll talk about that when I do this. Look at the little icons. Ooh. Okay. Did the other one have that? See, now I compare kits. I'm like, did I miss something? Was that on there? With the date dots? The page with the date dots. Oh my God, I can't get to it. No. Okay. So this one didn't have those. Okay. I must have ordered kits. Sometimes people reformat, or they just do kits a little bit differently. So here's our date covers. It has plants inside of like a little metal bucket. And then you have your decorative stickers. And then you have some functional. And then look at the weekend banner. It's the packets of seeds. And then you have some quarter boxes. And then over here you've got Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Netflix, computer, TV, book, and an envelope. And then you've got a car, a vacuum cleaner, a clock, and grocery cart, and a box, like if you're like getting mail. So that one's fun. That's page 5. Here's page 6. So these are all separate, and then you have 6 checklists. Oh, there's even more checklists on this one, because I don't think that was on that one. See, now I compare the kits. Yeah, so this one had the script functionals down there, and this one has extra of that, but the script functionals are still on here too, so you're not missing any. She just added extra. Ooh, I like that. I wonder which one is newer. I don't know which kit is newer. I like them both. Like the formatting and stuff. But I know that like sometimes you order a kit and you have like certain expectations for like what's in the kit. So if it like changes on you, you're like, wait, what? So there's that. So this one is my happy place. I wanted a gardening kit. So I got one. I've done a flower kit and things like that. I've been trying to stick with just Erin Condren, like I've been trying to stick with just Etsy kits in my Erin Condren and Happy Planner sticker books in my Happy Planner. But with memory planning, it kind of makes me sad that like I can't use this in my Happy Planner. So that's why I said next year I might be switching the 2 planners. I don't know. And then here's the freebies that went with it. And then I got the little card with it as well. So I'm excited to use these. They will be being used very soon. So this video is probably going to go up today or tomorrow because I'm behind in a plan with me and my Erin Condren. So there you go. That is my haul from Tilly B Plans. Also, packaging shout out. It's an ombre purple envelope. At least that's the one I got. And then she has a little shiny hollow thank you for supporting my small business sticker. I put a sticker on here too, but mine's just like a plain white label. But like, so she's glamming it up, man. She's glamming it up. So there you go. That is my haul from Tilly Beauty Plans. Check them out on Etsy. I will link the shop in the description box below. I'll also link their social media too, because sometimes you're like, I'm not ready to buy, but I'd love to follow, you know? So show your support however you can, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.